Always one of the highlights of any season. Two clubs who represent an unbridled commitment to excellence. Stay with us for all the live action from the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium as Spurs take on Manchester United. Welcome, it's a bit of a sad rainy night, but highly unlikely the action will match the weather here in North London. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It is Tottenham Hotspur up against Manchester United.
Well, thanks Derek as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Number 10, Harry Kane. And number 7, Son.
Good luck. Have a great day. Good luck. Good luck. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
Well, it might well be a game to savour. Manchester United kick off. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? Well, it came to nothing in the end. And here's the lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea starts in goal. Harry Maguire plays alongside Rafael Varane in central defence. Bruno Fernandes plays alongside Christian Eriksen in the centre of midfield. And the starting role in attack is handed to Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, can he finish it here, Derek?
He knew he had to make the tackle, and did. Ronaldo. And I'm sure the visitors will be thinking about claiming all 3 points here, Stuart. They do know that if results go their way, they could end the day at the summit.
Well, they've certainly had a great start to the season, and they've played some really good football. Hopefully we get more of the same today.
Who can he pick out? Just the challenge that was required. Pressing as a team. Can he find the right pass? Big chance! Well, the only way to say it is he got it all horribly wrong, Stuart.
Well, he has to make the keeper work harder than that. That's a tame finish.
Jadon Sancho. Bissouma. Now Harry Kane. Offside by a fraction. You know, when Ronaldo is on the pitch, we tend to think he'll stamp his authority on the game, Stuart. What in particular do you expect to see from him this time around?
Yeah, he's the club's leading scorer, and he's so difficult to negate. But I'm sure these defenders will have a game plan for him. Whether it works or not, we'll have to wait and see.
Jadon Sancho. A lot of forward thrust here from Ronaldo. Now, what can he do from this excellent position? Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Ronaldo. Untidy on the ball. Højbjerg. Kane. Opportunity it is. Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Spurs recovering possession well. Kulusevski. Oh, good-looking run. Kane. Options in the centre. And just narrowly wide in the end. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Spurs taking on Liverpool. Disappointing for United to give it away like that. Kane. Here is Fred. Fernandes. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. Kane. And still an opportunity. There it is. And he could scarcely have had an easier finish.
Well, here it is again. It's an easy finish in the end, but what was the keeper thinking? That's a poor bit of defending.
So United restart the game. Disappointed to have conceded. Can they come up with an equaliser? Nice ball to switch the point of attack. Diogo Dalot. Bruno Fernandes. Sancho. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Emerson. Yves Bissouma has it. Dejan Kulusevski. And return to Kane. Nicely timed tackle. Trying to really get at the opposition here. And the flag does go up offside. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. Eriksen. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Corner kick for United. Can they take advantage of the situation? Played over. Well, they haven't overcome all the difficulties. Giving it a try. And blocked for now. No more time left. That is it for the first half here at the home of Tottenham. Well, Harry Kane certainly bringing his influence to bear on that first half. Stuart, what did you think about his performance?
Well, Derek, he took his goal well.
So into the second half, Spurs hold the advantage, but it's a long way from being done and dusted. Manchester United recovering possession well. Kane. Bissouma. Here's Ronaldo. Sancho. A very good tackle. Kulusevski. And a friendly reminder that we have more action from the Premier League coming up. It's Manchester United facing Brentford. Ronaldo. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Taking care of business defensively here. Advantage Manchester United. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Promising attack, this. Can he convert? Able to get a body in the way. Well, they couldn't keep it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Jadon Sancho. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Poor attempt at a pass, really. No foul, Spurs advantage. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Well, perhaps he thought he might escape punishment. Not the case. It's a booking. Really closing him down here. And a poor ball. Højbjerg. Ronaldo. Oh, maybe the equaliser. And it's in. A goal for Manchester United, who find themselves now level.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Manchester United goal.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Dejan Kulusevski. Well, he's given us away.
This is a message for Owen Kennedy. Owen, happy birthday from your friend Jonathan Fish.
Well, they have the ball once more. Oh, the threat is there. Well, it wasn't a simple save to make. And a change for Spurs at this juncture. And he's fired over the corner. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. It's a perfect challenge. Can they hit on the break? Out of play it goes. He was under a bit of pressure. Spurs to make a personnel switch now. Giovanni Lo Celso. Dejan Kulusevski. Wonderfully weighted pass. It has to be. Great chance to make it a brace, but the keeper had his say.
Well, he has to get a second goal soon. He's been brilliant today. Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
Happy to take on the shot. A routine save. Cristiano Ronaldo might be able to set up the chance. That's all they can conjure for now. Well, a touch off the defender last of all, so a corner. Playing it in. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. Just 10 minutes to go. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Diogo Dalot. Manchester United on the front foot in the closing moments. Can they find a winner? Eriksson. He must finish! And calling upon the goalkeeper to keep things even.
Well, he's got to be pleased with that. He might just have got his team a draw here.
Trying to pick out a teammate. Clattered away. Well, I don't think that effort remotely qualifies as respectable.
And the reason it's off target, because the technique was really poor on that occasion. That's not a good effort.
Son. And that's great work to make sure it didn't go over the line. And just 5 minutes remaining. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Might be able to produce from this position. Could be. Superb stop. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. Well, we are going to have a decent amount of stoppage time. 3 minutes to be exact. Well, they still have designs on the win, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Richarlison. And he's made headway. And that is going to be all for this game. Well, we were treated to goals, but no winners in the end. Stuart, what did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it was certainly entertaining. Both sides had periods of the game where they were dominant, but overall, I think a draw is just about the right result.